Me.
Hello,
Yeah.
grade 7. Then today we will continue lesson 2.1 about multiplying integers. But we want to study how we are going to multiplying integers by using modeling integers. Okay, you will find this part which I'm talking about in your book, page 38. Okay, then the part which I'm going to talk about it will be in your book, page 38.
Ms. Dahrug or Rahma, I want to join the meeting,
Okay.
the waiting.
Anyone want to add something before we will start? Yesterday we started already. Yes, Gasser?
Rahma or Dahrug في waiting, عايزين نخش meeting.
Rahma what?
Rahma and Dahrug is in the waiting.
Okay. Yes, Gasser, do you have a question?
Rahma and Dahrug.
Then as I said, we will work with the part modeling integer multiplication. Modeling integer multiplication. In this part, you can see my screen now.
Oh.
I'm sharing the screen, so you can see the screen. In this question, we want to multiply. If I will give you this question, so I'm talking to grade 3, not to grade 7. If I will say, how many? 3 times 2. 3 times 2 equal how many? Grade 7.
6.
Equals 6, right? Is this question available for grade 7?
No.
Can I give this question to grade 7? No. So I want to give this question to grade 7. For this reason, we are going to work with modeling.
Miss,
Like,
I can't see the screen.
you can't see my screen?
Yes, miss.
Maybe it's loading. If this was all the class or with Rahma only?
No, all the class.
All the class, they can see? It's connecting?
No, it's black.
Yeah, it's black.
Oh,
It's
not
even working. Yeah, it's black.
It's blank? It's a blank screen?
Yeah.
I'm coming.
It stopped.
It stops again.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, it's not
Okay.
yet.
Okay. So let me start again.
No,
I said if I will ask you 3 times 2, I think you will be happy to have this question. 3 times 2 equals 6. This is since grade 2, right? But I'm looking to, I'm dealing with grade 7. Okay, so we want to use modeling integers. What's modeling integers? So I'm going to use positive and negative. Okay, did you remember? So we want to make positive and what? Positive and what?
negative.
And the negative. I said yesterday we can translate 3 times 2. Did you remember? So I'm looking for 3 groups, and each group consists of what?
2.
2, right? Then I will start with 3 groups, right? And I said the first word, we can translate it into word add or subtract. So I want to translate this one now. It will be 3 groups, right? So I'm looking for 3 groups, and each group consists of 2. So each group, now this group consists of 2. So I'm looking for how many more? 2 groups. So second group, and then positive again, 1, 2, and then this is third group. Then in front of us now, we have how many groups? How many groups do we have in front of us in this question?
3.
From where you know the number of groups? From where you know the number of groups? From the first number. Okay? So the first number, it will help us to know the number of groups. The second, it will tell us how many in each group. Is that clear? Let me say again. First, how many groups do we have? I have 3 groups. Second, how many in each group? I have 2 in each group. Then, what is the answer? Could you please start to count with me, grade 7? Start to count with me. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The answer, it will be equal positive 6. Any questions so far till this point?
No.
Okay, let's move to the next question. Could you please, anyone help me to translate? 2 times
We'll have 2 groups.
3. How many groups we suppose have in this question?
2.
2 groups. And in each group, we have
3.
3. Positive or negative?
3 integer. Positive.
3 positive. Then we will start to take 2 positive, right? And I'm going to make, in each one, I will fill it with 3 positive numbers. Then I'm looking for 3. This is the first group. And then I'm going to use the positive 1, 2, 3. So this is, it will be the second group. So the answer now, it will be equal positive 6. So this is the first case. First case, we will multiply positive number by negative number. We will multiply what? Positive number by negative number. Could you please try to assess yourself? I will give you a question and you will try to find the answer by yourself, please. Are you ready?
Yes.
Ready? Okay.
Yes.
You can send to me the answer in our group to check who will be rank 1, rank 2, rank 3. I'm looking for 2 times 4. I'm looking for 2 times 4. How we are going to solve this question? Did you solve it? Did you solve the question? Two times 4. Gasser. Gasser.
I sent it.
Yes. Yes.
How many groups do you have in this question?
5.
How many groups?
5.
5? 5? How come?
Which one? 1.
Gasser. The first number, it will help you to know number of groups. Okay, Gasser?
2.
This one, the second number, it will help you to know how many in each group. Did you understand me? Then, how many groups do you have? Gasser. How many groups do you have? So I received the answer from Ruqayya,
6.
rank 1, Ward, rank 2, and Rahma, rank 3. And also I have Adam. Adam? Adam,
Yes.
please check with me, Adam, for the last question. As I said, the first number, it will say to us, how many groups? Now, Gasser, you will give me an order. Which order? Miss Tahar, make for me 2 groups, okay? With all my pleasure, Mr. Gasser. This is the first group, and this is the second group. What else? Huh? What's your next order, Mr. Gasser?
4 groups.
4 groups? You told me at the beginning 2 means how many groups? Then the first order which you are going to give it to me, make for me 2 groups. Okay? Miss Sahar said, with all my pleasure, I prepared for you 2 groups. What's your second order, Mr. Gasser? If there anyone can tell me what is the second order?
Can I say it?
Yes, please. Kareem.
It will be.
What's your second order?
Yeah, put 4 positive
Thank
sign
you. Put
in each
4
group.
positive in each group. Yes. With all my pleasure. So I'm going to put 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is the first group. And then 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is the second group. Did you understand me? Then you will imagine that you are now a person which is going to give me the order. Miss Tahar, make for me 2 groups. Miss Tahar said what? With all my pleasure, I'm going to prepare for you 2 groups. Second order, put in each group 4 positive. Okay, agree with you. So I put in the first one 4 positive, and second one I put 4 positive. Right? So what is the answer at the end? The answer will be how many? Count how many positives
8.
you have. 1,
8.
2, 3, 4,
8.
5, 6, 7, 8. Agree with me? One more question. Who will give me the order?
Yeah.
Who will give me the order?
Me.
Who?
Me.
Dahroog, are you
Okay.
here? Dahroog.
Yes, yeah, miss.
Yes. I will write the question and you will give me the order, okay?
Okay.
The question is 3 times 5.
15.
Give me the order, Dahroog. First. How many groups do you need? Okay. How many groups do you need? Okay, someone from the student which they are raising their hands, please go on.
مش كان آخر؟
First, I have to prepare for you how many groups? I have to prepare for you how many groups?
Miss.
Yes.
3.
3 groups. Yes. With all my pleasure. I'm going to prepare for you. First group, second group, third group. What is the second order?
We put 5 positive in every group.
Yes. Put 5 positive in every group with all my pleasure. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So what is the answer by the end? It will be equal how many?
15.
15. Okay? So as I said, you can work with the question like a game. In this question, you will give me an order. First, make for me 3 groups. Okay? Then 1, 2, 3. Fill each group with 5 positive numbers. Then I will go and put 5 positive in each group. By the end, you are going to count all of them to find the final answer, which is 50. Any questions so far about the first case?
No.
Grade 7, understood this part?
Yes, I understood.
Yes.
Let's move to the next case. The next case, who will give me the order? 3 times -2. Is there anyone can give me the order? I'm waiting. Yes, please answer.
We will make 3 groups.
Yes. Then, with all my pleasure, my friends, what
We will put 2 negative signs in each group.
in each group? Thank you so much. So in this question, we are going to, you order me to make 3 groups, right? From where you know that this is 3 groups? Because the first number was 3, right? It's positive, so I can make 3 groups. And this word means add. The first sign is positive, which means add. Add 3 groups, and each group consists of how many? Each group consists of how many?
-2.
-2. Thank you. Then I'm going to make 3 groups, and I'm going to fill each group by -2. By the end, I'm going to add all of them. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Negative. So the answer, it will be equal -6. Let's move to the next question. Who will give me the order in the second question?
Miss, can I answer?
Yes, sure. Go on, my princess.
Here,
Give me the order
first,
first.
first we will do 3 groups.
Thank you. So first order for my lovely princess to do 3 groups. What else? Second order, my princess.
Second order, we will put in each group -4.
Thank you so much. Yes, agree with you 100%. First, add 3 groups, and each group fill them with -4. So I have the first one is -4, second is -4, third is -4. So the answer by the end, it will be how many?
-12. The answer will be
-12.
-12.
Thank you. So this is the first one, second, and this is third, right? So we have -12. Agree with me? Any objection?
No.
Come with me with this one now. Oh my God. The first number is negative, right? If I will order you, make -3 groups. Is there anything like this? Make -3 groups? Did you hear this word before?
We use 0 pair.
No. Yes. So, as word said, we will use, like we said before, 0 pair. What the meaning of 0 pair? Did you remember? What the meaning of 0 pair? Positive and negative.
Negative.
Positive 1 minus 1 equal 0. Then once you have the first number equal negative number, so we will use 0 pair. Again, let me remind you, what is the 0 pair? 1 positive and 1 negative. Okay? Then you are looking for 3 groups, and each group has how many negative numbers? Has 2, right? Then I'm going to prepare for you 3 groups like this. I'm sorry. What this, Miss Sahar? Is there anyone can tell me what this? How many groups do I have now?
3.
3, right? But I can't say like the previous question. The first number is negative. Then the first number is negative. I'm going to follow your instructions, but I will use 0 pair, which means each one positive, close it to 1 negative. Then he said, take away how many from each group? He said, take away how many from each group? -2. We want to remove -2 from each group. Okay, so I will remove -2 from first group, -2 from second group, -2 from the third group. So the answer by the end, it will be equal how many? +6. So the answer by the end, it will be equal how many? It will be equal +6. Let me give you another question about this. If I want to make -4 times -2, what do you notice in the first question? What do you notice in the first question? How many groups do we have?
4.
How many groups do we have? 4, right?
4.
So I'm going to make 1, 2, 3, 4, right? But remember, the first sign was what?
Negative.
The first sign was negative. So we have to use what?
0 pair.
0 pair. And you have to fill each one by how many? By -2, right? -2, -2, -2. But remember, the first one was positive, so I have to put 0 pair. Don't forget. We want to remove how many from each group? From each group?
-2.
-2. Then remove -2 from the first group, second group, third group, fourth group. Now count. How many do you have in this question? 1,
8.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So the answer, it will be equal -8. Understood? Or you are looking for one more question?
Miss, can I ask you a question? Can we
Sure.
make it like -4 times 3? I want it negative and positive, but negative in first.
Yeah, do you mean to transfer negative? Look, this question, you have -3 times -2, right? We are looking
Miss, no, I want it like -3 times 2.
times 2.
Yes, -3 times 2.
Yeah, you want a question -3 times 2?
Yes, Miss.
Okay. But you understood this one?
Yes.
Okay, let's move to the question which Rahma told me to answer it. Could you please tell me the question again, Rahma?
Like any negative number time positive
Yes.
number.
-3 times 2, right? You are looking for how many groups? Here is it. It's -4 times 2. How many groups you are looking for?
4 groups.
4 groups. And take care. The first one is what? Is negative. So we will use
have positive and
0 pair. Yes. 2, 1, 2. And then 1, 2. 0 pair in each one. Okay, 1, and then 2, and then 4. So this is the first step. You ordered me to make 4 groups. Then, in first order, you will draw circles only. Is that clear? In first order, you will draw circles. How many circles you are going to ask me to do it? So I'm looking for 1, 2, 3, 4. Second order, you will fill each one by how many? By how many?
Two.
By 2. But each one will come with its partner, with 0 pair. 1,
So we
2,
will
1, 2,
remove
1,
the
2, 1, 2. And then,
negative sign.
how we are going to find the answer? So, I'm going to collect positive 2 from all the groups. So the answer, it will be negative 8. Did you get this point, or you want me to say it again?
No, I got it.
Again, one more
Now
time.
I got it.
Okay.
Okay.
First, the first order, you have negative, right? So the word negative means what? Take away, remove. The first order means, the first parentheses means take away. The second one, how many you are going to fill each group. Then, now you are going to order me to make 4 groups, 4 circles. 4 circles. And in each one circle, you are going to fill it with 2. But because the first sign is negative, so we have to use 0 pair. Then second group, third group with partner because it's 0 pair. And then fourth group with partner because it's 0 pair. So I have now 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is the first step. Any objection about the first step? Any objection about the first step? 4 groups, 1, 2, 3, 4. Why we put positive and negative here? Why? Why you put positive and negative? Because the first sign was what? The first sign was negative, and this means please use 0 pair. Then take away from 4 groups, take away 2. Take away, remove, cancel from each group, cancel 2. Then I will start to cancel now. Collect all the positive 2 from the 4 groups. Then how we will translate this one? Take away 2 from each group. So I'm collecting all and cancel them together. Then you will count how many numbers do you have here. So you have negative 8. Understood? Let's move to the last one. Negative 1 means take away. Okay? So this one, I'm looking for only 1 group. And I will fill this group with 5. But this, the first one was negative. So we will use 0 pair. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now it should be 0 pair. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. He told me take away so that I have only 1 group with negative 5. He said take away negative 5, from each group. Take away negative 5 from each group. Then the answer, it will be equal positive 5. Okay?
This is
Understood
from
grade
the
7?
picture.
Like this, okay?
Yeah.
Okay. If I want to make now, try to do it by yourself, please. Negative 3 times 2. What's your order first? How many groups? Tell me the
3.
order first.
Negative
3
3 groups.
groups, right? So 1, 2, 3. The first
And
sign is negative, right? So we are going to work with 0 pair. You will fill each one by how many? You are going to fill each one by
positive
how
and two
many?
negative. 2 positive and 2
By
negative.
2. So I have 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. The first sign, this one, told us that this one is what? Huh? Take, huh?
Out.
Away. Take away how many?
2.
Take away how many?
2.
2
2 positive.
from each group. Take away 2 positive from each group. So I'm going to go, I will go, and I'm going to take away 2 from the first group, 2 from the second group, 3 from the second group. Then what is the answer by the end?
Negative 6.
Negative 6. Thank you so much. So the answer by the end, it will be negative 6. Okay?
Okay.
So the answer, it will be equal negative 6.